So today we are going to be testing out some slimes over here. So I've got a couple. I'll slide them over here. And I do got a couple, so I'm just gonna use that right there. So first I'm gonna start with this one. I'm going to open it and get that all. Look at it. So we're gonna take this out. Oh, it's sticky, but like it won't stick to you. But it's sticky. Let's see how stretch test. Not pretty stretchy. We'll put this, let's see. That one. Okay. Okay, that's kind of like slippery right there. Okay, so put it back. And in the next video, I'll show you my rock collection. So I don't mind the background noise because that is the people working on it. This one? Wait. This one's so stretchy. Oh my gosh, it's like not hard at all. It's like really soft. It's like fluffy slime, but like not. Oh my gosh. Wow, just wow. So that one, just this one. Then we're moving on to some bigger slimes. So I've got this one. Let's try it out. Okay. Came out pretty smoothly. It's a stretch test. It can stretch pretty far. I think this one is a pretty good slime. I don't have any hates on it. It's pretty good, but I don't have any really love on it. So next one is this one. And I'll do an ASMR for you guys when I'm done, but this one has a lot of like sequins in it, however you pronounce that. I will do an ASMR now with opening them and stuff, so bye. Bye. So that was the ASMR time. So I am just going to I am here. I'm still here. But I'm gonna go throw this away. So pretty much it. Um, no. Here, because you don't know. I don't know what else is. Oh my gosh. I forgot about. I might get slime out of this, but I don't want to do that. You know what? I'll do a satisfying video of this soon, but bye.